Today, Bitcoin created a new range, guys. So we respect the 4 hour downtrend created on these two candles. Okay. Today we test that. We got a little rejection. Also on that 1 hour support turning into resistance here. Something that I marked yesterday on the video. And right now we also created a range trend on the 4 hour. Okay, this is just a range trend. We have a bigger trend here from this 4 hour bottom to this 4 hour bottom. Okay, and I do believe that we might see a good reaction on this trend, but we have to wait. So on this range, we have the 4 hour downtrend, 4 hour uptrend. Okay, which levels can hold or reject here? We are going to the 1 hour, and that's where we are going to find that. So I have the 4 here. This was kind of tested, so I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, we have a 1 hour trail. Okay, from this bottom. Okay, every candle it's tested. Okay, this one was tested 2 times, but we did not test the body, so we might still reject the body. This is probably a 15-minute candle here. No, the 15 was already tested, so it's a little riskier to take a trade here, so I'm not gonna do that. 1 hour, maybe a reverse level here, because the line just crossed straight this level and had a really good bounce. So this kind of represents a little bit of polarity, nothing compared to this one. It came here, broke a little bit, and just went straight up, almost straight up 3.5%. So this was a much smaller one, yeah, half of that percentage. So I'm not expecting, but we might have that. Okay, what I really want is to see if this 4 hour it's going to be created, and if that creates, if the test creates the 4, we are probably going to try and attack this 4 again. So if we actually come down this low, or even here, it's not really important, test the trend, even break a little bit, but staying above that, we are probably going to attack one more time here. And since we created polarity from that support turning into resistance, okay, we created polarity on these two levels. A lot of short got entry there. So if we go there again, I believe we might go and attack the top. This top, it's kind of already tested. Okay, so if we attack the top and we don't see a rejection on the previous all-time high break level, okay, it can even go to a new all-time high. But if that comes down really fast and as another rejection on the price, we are probably going to see some rejection on the all-time high. Okay, if we go straight up, obviously we are going to create a new all-time high and staying this bullish momentum. Okay, so what I really want is to come down here, create this range trend. It's kind of not created yet because we just have the creation here and the continuation. We need a third test to kind of have the confirmation. But if we don't come down here, even if we come a little bit but don't test the trend, okay, just test this level maybe, and we keep laddering up, that's kind of also bullish because we are staying away from the trend. Okay, and we might be creating some more interior trend to something like this. It's not created yet, just a possibility. Okay, let me check that on a 15. Yeah, I kind of don't like that on a 15, so this is probably not a good trend, but we have to wait and see. Okay, what I really like is this 4, and if we stay between these two trends, we are going to have a big move either to the top or to the bottom. Okay, so I don't want to predict that. I rather wait for the this one of these two trends get broken. If it gets and goes to the top, I want to try to have the buy on the retest of the backside of that trend. If we come down, we break this one, I want to try to buy the retest of that trend. Okay, combine it always with some already created resistance or support here. Okay, so this is what I think might happen to Bitcoin for the next few hours. Thank you so much, and see you guys tomorrow on the Bitcoin price. Thank you.